So the test, the midterm exam, there were 18 questions. They were counted as 6 points apiece. That adds up to 108. So the score you have is actually out of 100, but you could have gotten as high as 108. Even still, there were a lot of people that have a lot to show me that they didn't show me they know how to do it. So I'm going to give you a second chance here. And so here's what we're going to do. For each question you got wrong, you need to convince me that you know how to do it, and that you would not make the same mistakes again. So you can do this by explain what went wrong. Analyze the things that you did wrong. If you did some algebra wrong, show me why the algebra is wrong. Show me examples of numbers plugged in to see that, hey, the thing I have starting and the thing I have ending don't equal each other, so the algebra I did is wrong. Show me graphs or something like that that shows how one expression in the graph is not the same as the graph of the next expression or whatnot. Okay. Show me that you know why what you did is wrong. Then show me how to do the problem correctly. Explain everything that you do. Use words, sentences. Write it all out. You're going to write me a paper that's got everything you did wrong. Some of you didn't do much wrong, and this is going to be a pretty short assignment. Some of you did a lot wrong, and this is going to be a long assignment. I want you to submit your work by next Monday, 6/8 this year, 15. If I'm convinced that you know what you're doing, then I'll change your grade on the exam by averaging it with 100. So, for instance, if you got a 62 and then 62 plus 100 divided by 2 is 81, your grade would become an 81. Okay. There's a couple of you that actually got more than 100 points. I would suggest that you do not do this exam because that would only bring your grade down. Yeah, those of you that are in the 90s and a couple that just got 100 or better, I don't think you need to bother with this. If you're in the 90s, you certainly can if you want. You got to convince me that you know how to do this stuff. So write a paper, get it in by next Monday at midnight, and we'll do that. I'll post some videos on Tuesday morning that have at least the start of how you do some of these problems. I don't want to do them all for you. I want you to figure them out. You're certainly welcome to work with each other, use the discussion boards to talk about some of the problems. And actually, I would suggest that we use the discussion board here in week 6 to talk about this. Yeah. So anyway, there's your chance to show me again that you can do this stuff.